When it comes to outdoor grilling, people are often passionate about their preferences, and for good reason. Each type of grill brings its own strengths to the table. Gas models offer unmatched ease, while charcoal grills excel in creating that distinctive smoky flavor. Electric grills have seen impressive advancements, making them a solid choice for those with space restrictions. For those who value versatility, there are countless options designed to bring out the best in your culinary skills. This year's selection of grills not only focuses on performance but also innovation, ensuring a superior cooking experience for both beginners and seasoned pros. In this guide, we have curated the best grills on the market right now. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description below. Number 8. Traeger Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill. The Traeger Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill is a premium choice for grill masters seeking precision and convenience. Its robust build is designed to last, offering 885 square inches of cooking space, perfect for large gatherings. This pellet grill is more than just sturdy. It features advanced technology that allows you to control the grill via a smartphone app. With its built-in temperature probes, you can monitor food temperatures remotely, ensuring consistently perfect results. The Ironwood 885 excels in low-temperature cooking, making it ideal for smoking meats like ribs and brisket for extended periods without supervision. While most pellet grills are not known for producing the best sear marks, this model can grill at up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for all types of cooking, including baking. Its user-friendly design and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a top-tier pellet grill. Number 7. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2. The Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2 stands as a leader in the Kamado grill category, renowned for its exceptional heat retention and versatility. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, this grill can reach searing temperatures up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for high-heat grilling or maintain a low, steady temperature for hours, perfect for slow-smoking meats. The cooking surface spans 256 square inches, and its two-tiered cooking grate provides flexibility to cook different foods simultaneously. Built for convenience, it features a built-in thermometer, labeled vent for airflow control, and a sturdy wheeled stand for mobility. The ash removal system and grate removal tool add to the ease of cleaning and handling. Number 6. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. Compact yet powerful, the Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill is the go-to choice for those seeking portability without sacrificing quality. With its 189 square inches of cooking space, this grill offers enough room to prepare meals for small groups. It heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, allowing you to cook everything from steaks to veggies without worrying about flare-ups. The Q1200's design focuses on convenience, featuring folding side shelves that offer extra workspace and an ergonomic handle for easy transport. Additionally, the grill is equipped with a built-in thermometer, making temperature management a breeze. Its lightweight construction allows for hassle-free mobility, perfect for camping trips, picnics, or small patios. Number 5. Weber Pulse 2000 Electric Grill. The Weber Pulse 2000 electric grill revolutionizes electric grilling with its smart features and high-performance capabilities. Ideal for city dwellers or anyone restricted from using gas or charcoal grills, the Pulse 2000 offers 278 square inches of cooking space, split into dual cooking zones for greater versatility. The grill heats quickly, achieving high searing temperatures that rival gas grills. A digital control panel lets you precisely manage temperature settings, while the removable components make cleaning a breeze. This electric grill is designed for convenience, offering the flexibility to be used as a tabletop grill or on a cart for a full outdoor cooking setup. The Pulse 2000 is perfect for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use grill that doesn't rely on gas or charcoal. Whether you're grilling meat or vegetables, the results are consistently delicious with minimal effort. Number 4. Weber Spirit 2E 310 Propane Grill. The Weber Spirit 2E 310 Propane Grill is a reliable workhorse that delivers excellent performance in a user-friendly package. It features 3 stainless steel burners that provide even heat distribution across its 529 square inches of cooking space, ensuring beautifully grilled meats with minimal flare-ups. The porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates are durable and maintain consistent temperatures, perfect for cooking everything from steaks to veggies. This grill is designed with practicality in mind, featuring foldable side tables for extra prep space, a built-in fuel gauge to monitor propane levels, and an open cart design that offers ample storage for your grilling tools. Its sturdy construction and reliable ignition system make it easy to use for both beginners and seasoned grillers. Backed by Weber's renowned reputation and a 10-year warranty, the Spirit 2 E310 is a solid investment for anyone looking for a dependable propane grill. Number 3. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. The iconic Weber Original Kettle remains a favorite for charcoal grill enthusiasts. Lightweight yet durable, this model features an enclosed ash collector for easy cleanup, large stay-cool handles, and smooth rolling mobility for convenient storage. It maintained a steady temperature and allowed easy charcoal loading and adjustment. The grill's design ensures comfort during cooking, and its solid construction includes quality accessories. For those seeking an upgrade, the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill offers added prep space, a larger bottom shelf, and push-button ignition. Number 2. Nexgrill 4-Burner Propane Gas Grill. The Nexgrill 4-Burner Propane Gas Grill offers impressive performance at an affordable price. It heats evenly and produces well-seared steaks with beautiful grill marks. Minimal flare-ups make it easier to manage, but the grill heats up quickly, so food requires close monitoring. This model also earned high marks for its user-friendly design, with side shelves, hidden storage, and easy access to the propane tank and grease drainage. It includes a side burner and boasts a sleek stainless steel finish. Overall, it's an outstanding grill for under $500. Number 1. Weber Genesis 2EX 335 Natural Gas Grill. Weber grills consistently excel, and the Genesis EX 335 Smart Grill is no exception. Featuring porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, it heats evenly and leaves excellent grill marks. Notable features include built-in temperature probes, a flashlight for night grilling, illuminated knobs, and ample storage space. It also connects to the Weber app for smart grilling. With 3 burners, a searing section, and a side burner, it offers top-tier performance. For a lower price, the Weber Genesis E335 is a solid alternative, minus the smart features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.